Hey people of YouTube, Wayne Hackman here, aka Whackstar. It's time to get some new boots for the patrol. And behind me you can see we've come to a tyre dealer. Gonna take these awful Goodyear Wranglers off and get some BFGoodrich All-Taraines on. Should make a big difference. Those of you who have been following the channel for a while, you know I've bought a Nissan Patrol and I'm slowly upgrading it to be a better and more capable vehicle. So it's time to get this thing on a lift and remove these Goodyear Wranglers to something which I think is a little more capable and much more durable. I've chosen to go for the BFGoodrich All-Taraine KO2 tyres. They set me back about $400 each, and I put 4 tyres on, keeping 2 of the old Wranglers as spares. So while this vehicle was on the lift, I was able to inspect the suspension, and you can see that I've got these TJM XG Series 4000 shocks and springs, and coupled with the BFGoodriches, I know that I have increased the capability of this vehicle both on and off-road. So here we are, a month later, and I've done about 1,000 kilometers on the BFGoodriches, and they don't disappoint. Probably a third of that have been on rough roads, bush tracks, grassland, and no trouble at all. They hold pressure absolutely fine. The stability on the road and off-road is great, and you just know with the BFGoodriches they are going to withstand much of the abuse that you'll give to it when you're both doing on and off-road activities. I've had experience of using these tyres before, had them on my previous Land Cruiser, and put, again, brand new tyres on that Land Cruiser, and had the Land Cruiser about 5 years. No word of a lie, within that period of 5 years, I only had 1 puncture. And that was easily fixed with a little mushroom patch and no trouble with it at all after that. The Goodyear Wranglers, although capable, they're not as durable. And I know this because within the 9 months, 10 months of having them on this car, I had 5 punctures. 1 pretty serious. Actually, the serious puncture prompted me to get these tyres because the tread on the Wranglers are really good, and that's hence why I've kept 2 of the best tyres. 1 is on the spare at the moment, and I've got another one that I'm looking for another rim similar to the one behind me to sit on the roof, so that when we do go into deep bush we are well resourced for tyres should anything go wrong. They were okay off-road, but I'm really pleased that I have once again put BFGoodrich All-Taraine KO2s on my Nissan Patrol, and I'm looking forward to having these on this vehicle for many years to come. Anyway, I hope you find that useful if you're looking to put brand new or all-terrain tyres on your own vehicle. And as always, please do all of the things that YouTubers do: rate and subscribe, leave comments, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.